Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add logo in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel. So adding a logo is really easy. Let's say I have edited my video and I want to have my logo throughout this video. So for that, firstly open File Explorer and locate your logo image. So this is the image. Now we just have to drag and drop it onto our timeline like this, and make sure to place it above all layers so that it stays visible throughout your video. And I want it for my full video. For that I just need to drag it like this. Now to change the position for it, select the logo first, then open inspector panel. Now adjust the size for your logo, change the position. I want it to be on top right, so I'll just place it here. Now to change the opacity for this logo, we need to go to composite, and from here reduce opacity according to your preference. So I'll just keep it here. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.